Welcome back to World Explorer Mind, WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. And every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world. From hidden histories to global game changers, you're watching World Explorer Mind, WEM if you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to join our community. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. 30 mind-blowing facts about Guyana, the world's most culturally diverse country. While the claim that Guyana is the world's most culturally diverse country is a bold one, and there are other contenders, it is undoubtedly a nation with a rich and unique cultural tapestry. Its history of colonization, slavery, and indentured servitude has created a fascinating mix of people and traditions. Here are 30 mind-blowing facts about Guyana, highlighting its exceptional diversity and more. Cultural and historical fact. A land of six peoples. Guyana population is often referred to as a land of six peoples, reflecting its diverse heritage. Indo-Guyanese, descendants of indentured laborers from India. Afro-Guyanese, descendants of African slaves. Amerindian, the original inhabitants, as well as smaller groups of Chinese, Portuguese, and other Europeans. A Caribbean nation in South America. Although located on the northern coast of South America, Guyana has strong historical and cultural ties to the Caribbean. It is the only South American country that is a member of the Caribbean Community, CARICOM, the only English-speaking country in South America. Due to its history as a British colony, British Guiana, English is the official language. This makes it a linguistic anomaly on the continent, which is predominantly Spanish and Portuguese-speaking. A religious melting pot. The country's religious landscape is a direct reflection of its diverse population. Major religions include Christianity, Hinduism, and Islam, with national holidays celebrated for all three, demonstrating a strong sense of religious tolerance. A unique Creole language. While English is official, most of the population speaks Guyanese Creole, a vibrant Creole language that blends English with influences from African, Indian, and Amerindian languages. A unique culinary fusion. Guyanese cuisine is a delicious mix of its diverse cultures. You can find dishes like curry and roti, Indian influence, pepper pot stew, Amerindian influence, and chow mein, Chinese influence, all part of the national diet. The golden arrowhead. The national flag is known as the golden arrowhead. Each color has a symbolic meaning: green for the forests, white for the rivers, red for zeal and sacrifice, black for perseverance, and yellow for the country's mineral wealth. Mashramani. This vibrant annual festival celebrates Guyana becoming a republic. It's a huge celebration with colorful parades, costume competitions, and street dancing, similar to carnivals in the Caribbean. A legacy of wood. The capital city, Georgetown, is known for its stunning colonial architecture, much of which was constructed entirely of local timber. A land of many waters. The name Guyana itself is derived from an Amerindian word meaning land of many waters, a fitting description for a country with numerous rivers, including the mighty Essequibo. Geographical and natural wonders. Kaieteur Falls. Guyana is home to Kaieteur Falls, the world's largest single-drop waterfall by volume of water. It is more than 4 times higher than Niagara Falls. Mount Roraima. This spectacular tepui, or tabletop mountain, sits at the border of Guyana, Venezuela, and Brazil. It is believed to have inspired Arthur Conan Doyle's novel The Lost World. Vast rainforests. Over 80% of Guyana is covered by forests, making it one of the most forested countries in the world. Much of this is pristine primary rainforest. Biodiversity hotspot. The country's jungles are part of the Guiana Shield, a region of immense biodiversity. Researchers continue to discover new species of flora and fauna. Home to rare wildlife. Guyana is a haven for incredible wildlife, including jaguars, giant river otters, giant anteaters, and the hoatzin, a unique dinosaur bird with clawed wings on its young. Shell Beach. This pristine beach is a critical nesting ground for 4 of the world's 8 species of sea turtles: the leatherback, olive ridley, hawksbill, and green sea turtles. Floating bridges. Guyana is home to 2 of the world's longest floating bridges, the Demerara Harbor Bridge and the Burbus Bridge. The Rupununi Savannah. This vast savanna region is located in southern Guyana and is home to diverse wildlife and indigenous communities. The Essequibo River. It is the longest and widest river in the country, and its name is featured prominently in a long-standing territorial dispute with neighboring Venezuela. Demerara sugar. The famous Demerara sugar takes its name from the original Dutch colony of Demerara, located in what is now Guyana. Economic and modern facts. An oil-fueled economic boom. Recent discoveries of massive offshore oil and gas reserves have positioned Guyana for a dramatic economic transformation. A developing economy. Despite its natural resources, Guyana has historically been one of the least developed countries in South America. The new oil wealth presents both opportunities and challenges for its development. Gold and diamond mining. Before the oil boom, the economy was largely driven by agriculture and mining, with gold and diamonds being significant exports. A low population density. Despite its large landmass, Guyana has one of the smallest populations in South America, with the majority of its people living along the narrow coastal plain. Cricket is the most popular sport. As a legacy of its British colonial past and Caribbean ties, cricket is the most popular sport in Guyana, not soccer, which dominates the rest of South America. Jonestown, Guyana was the location of the tragic 1978 Jonestown Massacre, a mass murder-suicide of more than 900 members of the People's Temple cult. A literary heritage. Guyana has a rich literary tradition, with notable authors such as Edgar Mittelholzer and Wilson Harris, whose works often explore the country's diverse cultural identity. A high suicide rate. Sadly, Guyana has been identified as having one of the highest suicide rates in the world, a complex issue tied to social and economic factors. A cooperative republic. The official name of the country is the Cooperative Republic of Guyana, reflecting a political philosophy of social and economic cooperation. El Dorado myth. The myth of El Dorado, the fabled city of gold, was a major motivation for early European explorers, including Sir Walter Raleigh, to search the region now known as Guyana. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one more stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.